Welcome back to another makeup tutorial. Today we are going to be using the LaColors Eye Vault Makeup Collection. This is a limited edition set. It is $5 at Family Dollar. So we're going to be doing a testing this out and kind of tutorial thing. And I'm also going to do a review on this product as well. You get 20 pieces in there for $5. We're going to start by using the LaColors Eyeshadow Primer. And I'm going to use e.l.f.'s setting powder to line underneath my eyes to catch out any fallout that we're more than likely going to have. The greens were kind of powdery. We're going to take the eyeshadow palette and I'm going to be using that nice cool toned brown in the crease area as a transition color. You're not really going to see much of this shade once the look is done, but it really helps the shades blend. And that's basically what it's there for in this look. Also, it came from the natural side of the palette. Now next, we're going to be picking up that nice dark teal shade there, and we're applying it in the crease. Now, I'm holding my brush kind of towards the middle so I have more control. I'm making sure that you see that I'm holding it in the middle, and you'll have more control to be patting the color in, sweeping the color in, and color placement. We're just putting that in the outer corner and all over the crease, kind of messily. I'm going to be taking the NYX Pigment Primer and I'm applying that all over the lid, patting that in. And I done that because this shade has some glitters in it. It's a dark smoky green with these beautiful glitters. And they will get everywhere. So I actually wanted them to stick and be a part of the look, you know? And this shade was extremely powdery though. Nothing out of the ordinary though. Lots of shades are powdery. But we're applying that all over the lid. And I'm going to blend some more in the crease. And just make sure all my edges are blended out very nicely. We're going to be taking the lightest shade in the eyeshadow palette, which is just a nice creamy vanilla kind of shade. And we're using that for the brow bone highlight. I'm applying it under the brow and blending it down into the crease color. Really buffing the two together. I like that smoky look and I just like how they really mesh well together. So I'm going to take the dark teal shade and apply it to the lower lash line. Pretty thick. And then I'm going to smoke it out as well with the fluffier brush. And I just loved how this look came together. I think it's very holiday-esque because it's green. I'm going to wipe away the fallout, and now we are going to be reapplying our highlight. And we're going to be using the LaColors black eyeliner pencil from the kit in our waterline and our upper rim as well, and I'll talk more about that in the review. We're also going to be using this LaColors mascara, black mascara that came with the kit. Once again, we're going to talk more about these products in the review video, but a little inside, I was pretty impressed with this mascara actually. And we're also going to be using the LaColors Liquid Shimmer Highlight in Candlelight. And I'm applying that in the inner corner. I just got this, so I was dying to try it. I don't want to use it on my cheeks yet, but I wanted a light brought into the eye, so I decided to use it in my inner corner. It's very beautiful. So beautiful and pigmented. So shimmery, love it. Now these are the lashes that came with the kit. They are called Lush lashes, very spiky long lash. And once you apply them and get them on, they look pretty natural. And I was totally digging that. I actually really like these lashes, and we're going to line and kind of hide the band a little bit with the Physicians Formula 2-in-1 EyeBooster eyeliner pen. What a name. But yes, we're going to line that band. And you can still see my glue a little bit. It's not completely dried, but it will. And for the lips, we are doing a matte red. I just decided that on a whim. This is LaColors Pout Matte Lip Gloss in Lusty. Beautiful. I think a nude lip also, if you wanted to wear this like an everyday kind of thing, definitely pair it with that. But if you're going to wear this for like Christmas or any holiday dinners you have, I definitely recommend pairing this look with a red lip. It's beautiful. Hope you guys enjoyed the tutorial. Stay tuned for more. Thank you always for watching. Don't forget to like the video, comment, subscribe, and ring the bell if you haven't already. Stay tuned for more LaColors iVault collection videos and a review. Happy holidays!